guys, today we have generic wireless Bluetooth DualShock joystick R1 not working. As you can see, the R1 is not clicking. That's why the customer bring this joystick and we are going to solve this problem for him. I'm not specialist with the joystick. It's the maybe third time I'm opening the joystick hands. I don't know what could cause this problem or what I'm going to be replaced, but I will open it and check it with you and let's see if we can fix it or not. There is 4 screws to remove, then you can open it. I don't know why it's stuck from the right, but there is nothing, it's on the way. You should just push it easily or slowly and this will release it. No need to make any force to it. Remember that we have a flex cable connected the charging port to the board. There is 2 board, a sub to the charging and to the main board. There is a flex cable between them. If you push the 2 pieces in other directions, you could probably broke the flex cable in between. So I need you to open it slowly without making any pressure. Just take your time and push it out. Remember how to put the flex cable. There is a direction to it. I'm going to remove the R1. You can push it up. Okay, it's out. I'm looking under the rubber plastic or whatever it is. This is the one who make connection to the board when you click. I don't know what's happening to that rubber. Seems it's faulty or it's damaged. I don't know what you can call it. I'm going to check the LT, the other one, how it's work and what's causing the problem between these. I'm going to compare to see what causing this problem. Seems this rubber is not working. I push it up. Now I'm going to put the R1 in position and test if this will solve the problem or not. Going to remove the R2 so I can get out this rubber. Be noticed that there is a board under this rubber, so when you pull it up, be careful not to push the board and broke the board. This board is from plastic. It's a very tiny plastic. I don't know why its R2 need too much force to be removed from its position. I told you it's my first time, so somehow I'm worried to damage anything. That's why I'm working with caution and without any rush. I have removed it from one side. Now I'm going to remove it from the other side. Finally, I was able to remove the R2. Okay, look what we are going now to replace. It's the rubber, the one we pressed down. Under it we have the board. It's from plastic. When you pull it from in, you could damage and or cut that flex cable. Be careful. You see the caution? The caution is very important. It's my first time opening this device and in this location or in working on the R2 and the R1. Now all you have to do is to replace this one with a new one, and that's it. Your problem should be solved, and that's it. Just put it in position and put the R1 and the R2 on position and you can test. Now the R1 is fully functional and the problem has been solved. Now we are going to put the R2 in position, and then we will put the flex cable from the sub or from the charging port to the main board, and we will put the 4 screws, and that's it. As I told you, there is just one direction to put this flex cable. Remember from where to put this flex cable, and that's where you can assemble it. We were able to fix the R1 for this joystick shock. If you have any question, just write it down in the comments below. If you like the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.